Welcome to Zest for Leisure. At Zest for Leisure, we understand how vitally important gardens and outdoor spaces are to our physical and mental well-being, as well as to the wider environment. Guided by this, we design softwood garden furniture tailored to the changing lifestyles and needs of our customers who are looking to maximise their gardens in an environmentally sustainable way. Our award-winning FSC certified collections are the result of over 15 years of dedication, innovation and unrivaled expertise in creating products that bring out the very best of our gardens. Our extensive range of garden furniture, grow your own, arbours, arches, gazebos and planters will help transform any outdoor space to bring many years of enjoyment and happy memories. Zest for Leisure have over 15 acres of warehousing and distribution sites in North Wales. The main site is busy with over 100 trucks a week dispatching Zest for Leisure products to customers nationwide. We have a friendly team of account managers across the UK and they'd love to talk to you about all the benefits of Zest for Leisure. So visit our website and get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.